My dad came here a little over a year ago and has been in business ever since. And it's my turn to join the business and help him out. My name's Jeremy Shelton. I'm from Kingsport, Tennessee. I was a truck driver and decided to make the change to come to NRVTA and be a part of my family business. We start out in fundamentals, and Todd does a good job of laying out everything, an overview. So when I got into the AC class or refrigeration class, I understood it a lot more because of the fundamentals class and the way Todd taught it. In the advanced classes, we had a lot of hands-on experience, and that was really good to learn. NRVTA has helped me become more confident in what I was already doing. The end goal for me is to be able to go back and support my dad's business and my family's business. And with this certification, I will be able to go anywhere in the United States and work on them, because there's so many out there and so very little tech to fix them. If you're looking for another career, then I highly recommend NRVTA.